The 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, power liftgate, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, floor mats. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.